In this video, we'll be reviewing the process for submitting an application associated with extreme and uncontrollable circumstances. To start, we're going to go underneath the assumption that you have already logged into the application and are on the account homepage. From here, you have two different options to submit an application. One would be on the sidebar, or two, you can scroll down onto the page and click on Start an Application. Once you're on the application page, you'll be able to see any type of previously approved applications, if you have any applications that are in draft progress, or if you have withdrawn any applications. We're going to start a new QPP exception. There are two different types of exceptions: the promoting interoperability hardship, and then the extreme and uncontrollable circumstances exception. For the purposes of submitting for the COVID-19 response, you're going to want to go through the extreme and uncontrollable circumstances exception. You'll have the ability to submit the application for an individual, a group, a virtual group, or an APM entity. For this, we're going to submit for a group. After entering in the TIN number, we'll then go on to the submission information. On this page, you'll have to enter in the contact details as well as the purpose for the application. To start, we're going to enter in the contact phone number. Next, we'll enter in the contact email address. After we've entered in the email address, we're going to want to specify the relationship for the submitter. If you wish to have additional access for other staff members, you can enter in their email address below. The next item that we'll want to select is going to be the event type. For this, we are going to click on COVID-19. The next item we're going to specify is the date range associated with the event. For those where the event is still in progress, you can click on Event Still Persists. Next, we will enter in a description of the event. After entering in the event description, you'll then have the ability to select which categories for which you would like to have reporting removed. After selecting the categories, we will want to keep in mind that if you do report data during the submission period, this will offset your application and you will be scored on the data for which you have submitted. After completing all of the necessary information on the application, we can click on Submit for Review. If you wish to see your submission summary exported as a PDF, you can click on here. You also want to go through and read the general notice for which you are actually submitting the information. And then also, you're going to see that I am certifying that the details entered are correct to the best of my knowledge. And then I'm going to click on Certify and Submit. Once completed, you will see that we have an approved application for the group that we just submitted with the categories that were associated. If you wish, you can export the application details as a PDF. And again, with the note that if data is submitted, the adjustment will be void and the performance category will be scored.